Hi everyone, welcome to the third episode. Today we're going to learn how to make a square. So this is also known as a granny square. So we'll start with a magical knot. We put that into a crochet hook and we'll chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we'll do a slip stitch onto the first chain. So we form a base. Now we do 2 chain, that is the first half double crochet, and then we have to make another 2 half double crochet. So you can do it with any stitch. I'm doing with the half double crochet. We have 3 half double crochet now. Then we want to make the first edge by crocheting 2 chains. That's the first edge. Then again we'll do 3 half double crochet. So we'll have 3 half double crochet in all the 4 sides to make a square, and we'll divide it by our edge, that is 2 chain. So again we have 3 half double crochet, we chain 2, that's the edge, and again we'll make 3 half double crochet. So we've already formed our 2 edges. Now we're going to make the third edge. That's 1, 2 chain, and then again we'll do a 3 half double crochet. So that's how we do half double crochet. Yarn over, pull through all 3. So we have the 3 edges. Now the final edge, another 2 chain, and then we'll slip stitch onto a tip of the first stitch that we had done, 2 chain. So we'll put it there and then just slip stitch, that is pull through. So we have all the 4 edges. Now if we extend it, you can see the square properly. So we'll do a normal half double crochet on each chain after that. That's 1, 2. So we'll count the first one. We have done 3 half double crochet. Now onto this empty gap we are going to fill in with 2 half double crochet, chain 2 to continue the edge, and then again 2 half double crochet at the same space. This yarn is getting stuck. That's got a little messy. So now we'll continue. Again we'll do one half double crochet in each 3 half double crochet that we have done below. That's 2, 3, and then again to the space we'll increase. How we increase? We do a 2 half double crochet first, then we chain 2, then again 2 half double crochet. That's how we increase, and the square will keep increasing in size this way. So we form the next edge. Now again we'll do the half double crochet as usual. We're doing the last edge now. 2 half double crochet, 2 chain, and then do the same gap, 2 half double crochet again, and then do a slip stitch onto the starting like we did for the last row. So now you can see we have a square. So if you continue like this with an increase, you'll have a bigger square, and the size that you want, you can use any stitch that you want to, and continue with this edges where you have to keep increasing with 2 chain. So at the same spot, it's very easy to find out. You can keep increasing. So this is how you crochet a square. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.